Hello, and welcome back to Explain the Charts. Today is March 20th, 2025, and we're diving into Intel, ticker symbol Intel. We'll be going over the recent news and taking a close look at the charts to formulate a trading strategy. First, let's address the current events surrounding Intel. The stock has been quite volatile lately, influenced by news regarding their chip foundry and the recent appointment of Lip-Bu Tan as the new CEO. News outlets report a sell-off in Intel shares following comments from Taiwan Semiconductor Manufacturing, TSMC, seemingly denying takeover rumors, combined with some investors not viewing the new CEO appointment positively. There's also buzz about Intel's efforts to cut costs and focus on its foundry business, along with their next-gen AI chip, Panther Lake, aimed at competing with Nvidia. All this affects Intel's stock price. Let's switch to the one-day chart and see how this is reflected in the stock's recent price action. Looking at the one-day chart, we can see a clear downtrend forming over the past few months. After a high of around $27.55 in February 2025, the stock has steadily declined, reaching a current level of approximately $24.12. Notice the significant drop in early March, coinciding with some of the more negative news reports. This decline broke below the $23 support level, previously holding since late 2024. This suggests a strong bearish sentiment in the short term. The key price to watch now is if this new level around the low $20s becomes the new resistance. The daily chart shows the price tried to recover some of the losses with a big rise mid-March from a low of nearly $20 to a high in the $25 range, before falling back down again. Let's narrow our view to March to get a better understanding, using the 1-hour chart. Looking at the 1-hour chart and narrowing in on the start of March until today, there was a massive drop on March 3rd. It made a minor recovery in the middle of March, but that's quickly faded and been mostly selling off. If it recovers the high in the low $26 range, that would be a good sign, but with a strong bearish trend, it's hard to be optimistic. Key levels to watch are the $20 support level and $26.14 level, which held at the highs on March 18th. If it can pass both those levels, that would be a good indication to be long, and otherwise it's likely to keep selling off. Long-term, Intel's new AI chip, Panther Lake, could be the catalyst for a turnaround, but we have a long way to go. Let's switch back to the one-day chart. To recap, we're seeing a downtrend since February 2025, influenced by news surrounding the CEO change and rumors about foundry sales. Support levels include around the low $20s, with resistance at the high $26 range. If the bearish sentiment continues, a break below $20 is likely, potentially leading to further declines. Conversely, a sustained move above the $26 area would signal a potential trend reversal, driven by positive news regarding Intel's AI ventures or foundry business transformation. For now, with the current price action, it's much more likely to break below the $20 range. Watch out for any government intervention or positive news that could reverse this. Good luck, and see you next time on Explain the Charts.